Get up there. But if you guys have any questions anytime along the way, please go ahead and ask. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. You just see kind of hanging on and going across towers, trying to rock a little bit.
Vamos a ver, qué se ve. Voy al restaurante. Tengo un hambre. Por ahí se sube para arriba. Es la piscina ya, es un trébol.
Hey, for you guys who may be interested in driving up here anytime in the future, the road you want to take is this one behind me here with the yellow line. It's called Ski Mountain Road. You can pick it up in town right over here, traffic light number 10. Make a right turn, follow the yellow line, so up there and you make it around 10 minutes. It's about a 3.5-4 mile drive up. If you guys are in your own vehicle though, really don't recommend it too much. It's real steep, real curvy, and it's very, very hard on the brakes transmission. If you guys are renting a car, then you're good to go. Slow down that you're feeling right here, there's the reason we're doing that. The reason is our other tram that's at the top coming down right now. It's going over our tallest tower and tallest point up there, Tower 5. The tower itself is around 230 feet in the air, and that's usually the windiest part of this ride. Anytime either tram will go to that tower or point, both trams automatically slow down. The reason that happens is we're both connected to and driven by the center cable. So in other words, we slow down, they slow down, we speed up, they speed up. They follow, we pray real quick. But you guys need to hang on. This tower will be just a little different than first one. Faster.
Children would like that.
Tower 5. Sí, ¿verdad? Te mata. Hey.
Back in 1972 by the Von Roll Company out of Bern, Switzerland. At that time in 1972, it cost them around $5 million to build, and it took a city to put it together. The tram cars that you guys are riding on today, they replaced the whole one over a year and a half ago. Tram cars, they're also came back up now in Switzerland. They ran $500 million per car. Look to the left. See our other car coming down. If we pass them, that's our halfway.
We're going to pass the other car. What do you want to start?
We're lower because there's more of us on here.
It is a cat. Well, that's somebody's house. Let's see those cars.
And even though it looks like they're going faster than us, we're really going faster. Still losing mix with them.
Pero tú no estás tan trancado así como mucha gente. Está un espacio.
The area we're entering right now is called Chalet Village. Well over 1,000 chalets, acres, cottages, and condos up here. 85% of the places you see up here are vacation rentals. 15% of them own homes year round. Can be a little rough in wintertime. You ain't kind of ice or snow on the road. They're pretty much staying where they're at until the roads get clear. Roads are very hard to drive in there. Look to the left here. This house here is called a cliffhanger. Call that because it's only 6 inches of it that's actually sitting on solid ground. So it's being held up by steel beams that are under 90% of that house. By the Corporation around 25 years.
You know, it's really kind of
You guys look to your top left up here, you're gonna see a little brown way up there, and keep looking above it, you're gonna see another house with a real pointed roof. House up there is called the Delta House. Built by Delta Airlines back in the early 70s. They needed helicopters to put the roof on that place, but they used actual airplanes to do their fighter jets. You guys see your upper right, big 3-story base house with the pillars in front. That house up there is called Barbie Doll House. They call that because it's a replica of Barbie Doll Dream House Mattel Toys came out with years ago. Right below Barbie's house there is the real small house in the front. That house there is Ken's house after the divorce. Hey guys, this last tower is how you're approaching could be our tallest one coming out. Tower 5.
This is going to be
Right now we're 2,800 feet above sea level. 1,800 feet above the altitude. You guys like tower 2?
Oh, I know. What?
Marisa, aquí están los osos. Uno y el otro. Del lado izquierdo, de este lado, están los ojos, los ojos. ¿A quién se lo dije? Qué chulo. Sí, pero todo el mundo.